In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your media, fine-tune the timing and size, and export a GIF that looks great and loads fast. Start by opening the Adobe Express website in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the home page, look for the Video section. From there, scroll down to the Quick Actions area and click Convert to GIF. This tool is designed to turn short clips into looping GIFs with just a few adjustments. When the GIF Maker opens, upload your media. You can drag and drop a video or photo straight into the window. If you came in through Convert to GIF, choose the video file from your device when prompted. Short, clear clips work best for GIFs, so think in moments rather than full scenes. Keeping the action concise helps your GIF loop smoothly and keeps the file size manageable. Next, set the length and size of your GIF. Use the slider to adjust the start and end points of the clip. This trim defines exactly what will loop, so move the handles until you capture the moment you want. A few seconds is usually the sweet spot. Then choose a file size preset, low, medium, or high. Lower sizes load faster and are ideal for sharing or messaging, while higher sizes retain more detail. You can also pick the layout, square, portrait, or landscape. Square is a safe, all-purpose option for most feeds. Portrait works well for stories or vertical displays, and landscape fits wider scenes like screen recordings or panoramic shots. As you tweak these settings, you should see the changes reflected in the preview, helping you judge timing and framing before you export. When you're happy with the setup, click Download. In the Download dialog, make sure the file format is set to GIF. Then pick the quality, low, medium, or high, to match your needs. Quality affects visual sharpness and the final file size, so choose the lowest setting that still looks clean for where you plan to post. Finally, confirm your download and save the file to a folder you'll remember. That's it. You've opened Adobe Express, chosen the Convert to GIF tool, uploaded your media, trimmed the clip, selected the size and layout, and exported the finished GIF. Your loop is ready to share on social, embed in messages, or add to presentations. If you need to make another, repeat the same steps and fine-tune the presets to fit each clip.